Hey, welcome guys. I've been doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9. Now, the box doesn't look like anything special, just your typical Samsung cell phone box. The particular model color I got is the titanium gray. And over on the back of the box, it does list you the contents, what you're getting out of it. So the cell phone itself, the charger, wall charger plug, and just all that good stuff in there. But let's just go over straight to getting the cell phone out of the box, right? That's what you guys really care about. So again, it's just your typical Samsung box. This is the 64 gig model. I'll have more information about the cell phone itself in the review video, and you can find a link to the review in the video description. So continuing on with the unboxing, looks like the first thing we get is the warranty information and stuff, but let's go straight to the cell phone because you guys don't want to know about warranty information. You guys are probably here for the cell phone itself, right? So let's focus on that just quickly. So there's all protective seals. Let's get this off, and it looks identical to the Galaxy S8. If some of you have seen it, again, I'll go over the differences in the review video. But I mean, the back looks different. I'm just trying to see if it smudges fingerprints. I had to press pretty hard before it did, so it doesn't look like it will, thankfully. So I'm just gonna power it on just to give you guys a better idea of kind of the screen size. Just let it sit on the side while we continue on with the unboxing. And it is secured by Samsung Knox, which is just a layer of encryption by Samsung themselves. This is their layer of security that they implemented. And let's get that SIM card tray ejector out of there. It looks like a little leaf, so it's easy to grab and find. And of course, let's go over to the documentation next. That warranty information that everyone wants to know about, I guess, right? So here we have the quick start guide in a couple languages. And just trying to see if there's more stuff. No, there's nothing in between. And there's a guide on how to transfer your data from your current cell phone to the Galaxy S9. So it'll help transfer stuff like music, pictures, videos. Apps is more dependent on if you already have a Google Play account that exists. And of course, the warranty information. And what do you know? It says it has 2 years of device protection. I'm not sure 100% what that means. I'm sure there are stipulations and terms and conditions applied to that, but it's nice to see because usually a cell phone warranty is about a year only. So Samsung's doing 2 years. It's kind of nice to see. So continue on. Here is the power wall adapter. I'm not sure where to even open this from. It's sealed incredibly tight. No, that's underneath. Let's go over to the side. No. Okay, I'm just gonna rip the top off. I don't get it. I just don't understand why they wrap it this tight when it's surrounded by cardboard and a cell phone on top. How is it gonna get damaged, right? It doesn't make any sense. I just find it always bizarre and annoying to take the wrapping off rather. So let's focus on the adapter here. So this adapter is USB regular to USB-C because the Galaxy S9 is housing a USB-C port at the bottom. Once again, I'm going to be struggling taking the wrapper off this thing, which I have no idea why Samsung did that. Just kind of silly. And let's continue on with what else we have in here. So there is the charging wire. It's USB to USB-C. That wire is measuring about 3.5 feet long, which is pretty standard and generic for a cell phone cable. Nothing special there. The headset, let me see. They're in-ear, and they are AKG, so hey, some pretty decent quality right there. Not really a fan of that type, but whatever. More of a headphone guy, not a big deal. And in case they don't fit in your ear properly, they fall out, then you have ear adapters. So I think something's going on here. I'm missing an adapter for the wire. Not this wire, but a regular micro USB wire. You see, what happened with the Galaxy S8 is that Samsung included a micro USB to USB-C adapter. So you could basically use your old Samsung charger or any other Android micro USB charger to charge your Galaxy S8. It doesn't look like they included it in this box. I don't know if they just assume like, hey, we've been releasing USB-C for a little while now, so just deal with it. It's kind of odd. I can't find it. That's why I gutted the box open, but not a big deal. Just I don't think people are ready to, well, be only USB-C yet. I mean, a lot of people still have old chargers lying around. So Samsung should have given it up another year or two, but maybe they're trying to push everyone on USB-C. Nothing wrong with that. So over on the left, you have the Galaxy S8, and over on the right is the Galaxy S9. Screens look identical. The front looks very similar. The back does look different, of course, that color and the way the shading is done, but oh well. I just want to show you a quick comparison. So if you did find this video useful, be sure to hit that like button. Check out my social links in the video description, as well as the review link in the video description. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.